Water nourishes all creatures. The tropical rainforest is a unique ecosystem. Ample rainfall infuses the air with abundant water vapor. Streams are replenished by the rainwater. Through the ages, rocks have succumbed to the relentless weathering. Sunlight, wind, and water flow have carved gullies on the ground surface. In the Jianfengling tropical rainforest in Hainan, the gullies, with an elevation between 200 and 750 meters, are the result of river erosion over centuries. While eroding the landforms, the streams also provided sustenance to life. Following the rivulets down the slopes, the soil is moist. With the roots absorbing underground water, the stems and vines above ground grow taller and longer every day. Sometimes the vines attach so tightly to the trees that they become symbiotic and grow upwards together. The running streams and abundant rainfall create numerous wonders of life. In this tropical rainforest grow 75% of the plant species in Hainan and 85% of its wild animals. Water is also transforming the survival strategies of the rainforest dwellers. The streams and the gullies carry the seeds farther afield for reproduction. They also provide the animals with sources of clean water. The sundews are a common sight in the area. In order to acquire nutrients, they have evolved to capture insects. Due to the alluviation of the rainwater, the surface soils have less nutrients to offer. These carnivorous plants have to use their crystal clear glandular hair to lure the passing prey. To adapt to the damp environment, the leaves of the plants have pointed, drooping tips. The water seep out from the leaves and cover them like a thin coating. When the rain falls, the tiny drops gather at the leaf tips and fall off to keep the leaves nice and dry. The drooping tips are effective in preventing the growth of tiny epiphytes on the leaf surface. This facilitates photosynthesis while replenishing the soil with water. The plants have their own ways to release water vapor into the air. After evaporation, the vapors form rain clouds. The rain falls and gathers into streamlets, rivers, then into thundering waterfalls abound with water vapor. The life-sustaining cycle of nature always nurtures the Jianfengling rainforest. Some 80% of rainfall in the forest originates from the water evaporation of the plants. The hydrologic cycle is self-sufficient in the tropical rainforest. It nourishes the forest's denizens and regulates its climate, while preserving the unique rainforest ecosystem. The natural cycle benefits all human beings with the virtuous cycle of the natural environment.